Hello, here's the Doogee Y6Max phone, 6.5 inches, running the LineageOS version 13, stable version, and the only one by Alberto 96. So we are looking here at that custom ROM. The build date was at June 10, 2017, as it shows here. Of course, Marshmallow Android 6.0.1. Yep. The ROM is running extremely smooth. No issues whatsoever. No problems at all. The Google Apps applications in this phone was downloaded the ARM 64, I believe, and the Mini 1. It's already rooted ROM. You just from the phone in here by build number, developers options, and then you get to choose the root access. I have apps and ADB. You can see here the Gboard Google keyboard downloaded. The package includes YouTube and Gmail and Google search, Google stuff, of course with the Play Store and Google Chrome. So it's pretty smooth ROM, no issues at all. I have been running this ROM for about 3 days. I use it plenty. I use the phone pretty much, more than normal user. Internet, using the LTE 3G all the time. I'm now at the house, so you can see it's connected to the Wi-Fi. No problems at all using Wi-Fi, using Bluetooth, or using the network internet. The issues I was facing in the stock ROM was such as after video recording. So if I open the camera in the stock ROM, if I open the camera, I record any video using the camera, the front or the rear one, the microphone, sorry, it won't work after I record any video. So I can't send any messages to WhatsApp, or like voice messages to WhatsApp or any other application. Even using the phone call won't be possible to use this. So I had always to reset the phone, reboot it, and then go back and use the phone just to use the microphone. That was one issue. The second issue was annoyingly dark camera. The front camera was extremely dark in all applications, about almost any application. Now it's much better in applications as well. It was pretty fine using the stock application in the stock ROM, but not using the front cam in any other applications like WhatsApp or Skype or any other application. It was extremely dark at the night, or when in low lights. Now the front camera looks pretty fine using the stock camera here, or using other applications. WhatsApp is still dark because the WhatsApp use also as video recording. So if you want to record the video from the front, this is like a weird thing. So now I have choose video, we change it to cam, If we bring the front cam, we can see up in here it's pretty fine. Not in so extremely good light. If we put the video, it will become a little darker. You can see it's darker. Otherwise, no problem. So the WhatsApp uses the video recording always. It's like a video recorder. But even though using the front cam in Skype, it was pretty fine for me. No problems at all. That was my second issue. The third issue I had was after plugging in speakers, headsets, the phone just goes silent. You can't hear anything after. So if I plug the headsets and I unplug them, the phone, even you put this up, even this is up, you can't hear any voices. Someone calls you, nothing. So I have always to restart the phone again and to hear the phone. I was missing tons of calls this way just because the phone goes silent. Gestures is not available in this ROM, I believe. It wasn't that effective for me. Always, it's like it's just an extra unneeded feature for me, because many times I tried press 2 times and something. I had only the 2 times opening and it's not working that well. Always I always had to use the push power button. So in this ROM it's extremely 110% better than the stock ROM, thanks to the guys who made this, and Alberto, I believe Alberto 96. We can see it here, and the camera, and using the rear camera, and here you can see here's the developer Alberto 96, and this is ROM. All the instructions was here, so easy to follow up, no problems whatsoever. Regards and thanks so much for the guys who made this ROM. And I believe there's nothing else to talk about. It's working phone calls using hands-free on YouTube, using Bluetooth hands-free. I had in my car the kit for hands-free, so many custom ROMs does not include this thing or does not work probably. I tried before this ROM, I tried the Need ROM in the website Need ROM, other Doogee ROMs. It was like ridiculous. They had the the ROMs taken from other phones like Elephone or Wii, some things like this. Other Chinese phones, they just downloaded the ROM with little customization and just put it to this phone. So it was lots of bugs in these ROMs, and they called stable. I don't know. This ROM is extremely stable. It has no issues whatsoever. It's running like 110%, much better than the stock ROM. And I love this thing. It's here, the hotspot. It wasn't in the other one. I had to put some application in here. Otherwise, internet, chicken internet or whatsoever in this phone is pretty fast. No problems with using the LTE or 3G or just the Wi-Fi. It's running smooth all the time. It's so fast and no issues whatsoever. I'm sorry, every time I open something there is some cars and stuff. I just check cars all the time. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you. If you want to go to some custom ROM, if you have some issues with your Doogee, just use this Lineage ROM. Don't use any other ROMs, man. They are a mess. They are a mess. And if you use this as a phone, you don't want any problems to face. You don't want to face any problems using the phone as a call or anything else, like if you get calls and stuff and messages and emails. And other ROMs, man, are full of bugs. It's just buggy ROMs. This ROM is pretty stable. It works as a charm, no problem whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope this helped you to keep your Doogee not to sell it forward. If you have any issues, that's the ROM to go for. Thank you so much.